Hey foodies, want to make a delicious gluten-free pizza in just 30 minutes? Well, here you can try it on frozen broccoli pizza crust. And in today's cooking demo, hey, it's Jenna here from sipbitego. Well, in today's cooking demo, you'll learn how to make this tasty tomato and pesto pizza recipe on Trader Joe's broccoli and kale pizza crust. Let's get in the kitchen and make it. Don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube for more easy pizza recipes. So first you preheat the oven to 450 degrees and remove the Trader Joe's broccoli and kale pizza crust from the package and take off the plastic wrap. And then you place the broccoli pizza crust upside down on parchment paper lined sheet pan and bake it for 10 minutes. Then when it's ready, you flip the crust over and bake it for 10 more minutes, or until the edges of the broccoli and kale pizza base begin to turn brown and become crispy. Then you can remove it from the oven and set the broiler on high. Now, as you see, the bottom is a beautiful brown color, but I'm going to flip it back over so it keeps baking in the oven. And now it's time to top the par-baked pizza crust with pizza sauce. Here I use Trader Joe's pizza sauce, but you could use any kind that you'd like. And sprinkle some Italian seasonings on top to just give it a little extra fresh flavor. So once you put on the Italian seasonings, then it's time to add the mozzarella cheese and the sliced tomato. And I like to do it kind of decoratively. I take all of my pizza recipes as an opportunity to get creative. So on goes the cheese, and then on goes the tomatoes and a nice little design. And then on top of the tomatoes, add spoonfuls of pesto. So you could use any sort of store-bought pesto. I also have a delicious basil spinach pesto recipe at sipbitego.com. Once all of the toppings are on the pizza, you can go ahead and broil the pizza, and it's only going to be in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes on high. So oven broil the pizza on high for just a few minutes, and then it's time to remove the pizza from the oven. You can top it with a sprinkle of parsley, and then it's ready to slice and serve. Doesn't that look so delicious? Now, as far as Trader Joe's broccoli and kale pizza crust review, I do have to say that obviously you know that you're eating broccoli pizza. Like, it kind of tastes like there's broccoli on the pizza, but it's obviously just the broccoli pizza crust. But it's a little bit different flavor, but it's a good flavor. If you're looking for a gluten-free pizza or a keto-friendly pizza, broccoli crust is the way to go. Have you ever tried a porcupine meatball? I know it sounds kind of weird. What is a porcupine meatball? Well, it definitely doesn't have any porcupine in it, but these are slow-cooked beef meatballs with cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's. And I love using riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's or anywhere else. I usually buy it frozen for recipes like this one. And these slow cooker beef meatballs are actually keto and low carb because you're replacing the breadcrumbs with cauliflower rice. So to make them, you mix together all of the porcupine meatball ingredients. I use ground beef and ground pork with the cauliflower rice, kale, onion, garlic, and seasonings. And then you can form about 2 dozen meatballs, and then you sear the meatballs on the stove and then put them in a large crock pot with pasta sauce and water. Then you slow cook them, and you just have to stir them throughout. Then it's time to serve them with Asiago cheese. Get the full recipe at sipbitego.com. For more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious recipes coming your way. Subscribe today. Well, I hope you have all the kitchen confidence you need to pull off making this delicious broccoli and kale pizza crust with the pesto and tomatoes and mozzarella cheese. It's definitely a favorite in my house. Well, until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Don't forget to check out another recipe video from sipbitego. Cheers!